Okay, so this is how to remove the seatbelt covers from a BMW Z4. I've tried pulling them like this and like that. It wasn't working. It is actually really simple. You just should push towards this end, so this end comes a bit loose, and then pull out here, and then it comes loose. I'll try to demonstrate it with one hand. So push here, and then use a screwdriver as leverage, and then it pops loose, just like that. You see, when I turn the cover around, it's in this. This pinch grabs the other end, and if you pull it that way, then this will come loose. I hope it's visible on the video. Okay, good luck.